Went drifting. He went practicing and drifting. Yo, what do you think? What do you think about it?
Shit was fun, bro.
Is he practicing now for the get ready for the track, right?
Yeah.
But what you doing now?
Cleaning off the side of the what's it called, the light, so I can put this back on.
Yeah, that shit fell off. So here's look at my engine bay on my 01 BMW 325i with a 330 motor, bottom half bill, turbocharge, and an aftermarket intake. View of the intercooler. So aftermath, what happened? Where we drift at was sucks. There's a lot of dirt and all of that. Everything splashed in the car, which we're gonna get it cleaned off. But thanks to this guy, the car is dirty. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna take out the valve cover, and the reason for me taking it off was a thinking when we get this thing installed, because this thing is right above the timing chain, and whenever the engine get hot, oil pressure reach high, it push out everything inside the catch can, and as you see, that's oil everywhere. So about to fix that. This is okay, but I'm gonna take it off, cut it right there, put a block off thing right there, and then I'm about to put the breather tube right on this side. It's gonna take me a while to do it because I gotta cut, drill, do all that 9 yard, and get it in. But yeah, if you never know, this car is making 500 HP and 20 pound of boost. It's wild 20 pound. Yes, the common boost really aggressive, nice. And if you may ask, using the stock throttle body, which you see, and I built a plate for it, which I did it myself, and it worked correctly. Everything worked good, no problem, no issue. Got it tuned recently, and yeah, this is it. Now dig into the valve cover and get the valve cover off, and then I'll do the rest. I put all the update in this video, and see how we get it done, the procedure and all of that, and getting it well. But for me, pulling off the valve cover, I told a video out there that show you pulling off the valve cover, so I'm not gonna show you. But with my car, a lot of interior thing for the engine already off, so it make it a lot easier. Like thing go there for the cabin filter. I removed that. You got a lot more stuff that's removed, make it easier. So just gonna go ahead and dig into it. Alright, so I think I got carried away because I end up welling the valve cover, and I remember my lifters was making noise. So that's the lifters. And then I pull everything apart. I put this lifters inside there already. Just need to torque it down, and then I'm going to do that side, and then I'm going to torque it, and then I'm going to put the valve cover, everything, whatever, and get it started, and then test drive it. But I got the valve cover over here. My weld sucks weld, but at least it's weld, and I block off right there. So now to finish everything else on the car and then put it back. I really need to practice more on aluminum welding, because I'm not good as yet. It's like my third thing I weld, but it works, so not complaining. But yeah, that shit done. So it's time to get this thing done. Once I get this other lifters in, I tighten it up, I go to the whole 9 yard, get the car started, and then we see what's new. Hopefully it don't make no more noise. If it make noise, I don't know, it's probably something else. But this was easy to do, so not complaining. Alright, so yesterday I had a little issue putting in the lifters. Got some thread stripped out in the lifters studs, but I got that all fixed. As you can see, everything is pretty much back together. So now we're doing some compression tests on it just to make sure the cylinder is good. So what I find out is the engine was running hot yesterday. Took out the spark plug and this what happened. I don't know if because it's hot this do it, but 2 of them broke. So now just doing some compression tests. For number 1 and number 2 I'm getting 180, so I'm checking and see if 180 all across the board. Hopefully it is, and put this thing fully back together and then rip it. Alright, go right again. Okay, you can see that. So pressure dropping because my gauge not working too good. So pressure dropping right there. But yeah, pretty much 180 already. So we're gonna just do the rest of the cylinder, and things checked out good, then I'm good. So I think I mentioned I got that welded scrap. Not 100% good at that welding as yet, but that and that cover up. So I'm just gonna check the rest and then get this thing started and running.